Are you looking for a video on solving word problems involving partitive proportion? Then this video is right for you. So, without much further ado, let's begin. Hi, my name is Rowel Carpio, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present to you solving word problems involving partitive proportion. What is a partitive proportion? A partitive proportion shows the partition of a whole into equal or unequal parts based on the ratio. For example, if the ratio of boys to girls in a class of 42 pupils is 3:4, then the 42 pupils are to be grouped unequally into boys and girls based on the ratio 3:4 to give 18 boys and 24 girls. So let us have examples. We have here sample problem 1. A class has 42 pupils. If the ratio of boys to girls in the class is 3:4, how many boys are there in the class and how many girls are there in the class? So first is for us to show the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in the class. Based on the problem, it is said that for every 3 boys, there are 4 girls. So let us say that these blocks represent the number of boys. So there are 3 blocks for every 4 girls represented by 4 blocks. The total number of pupils in the class is 42. So for us to identify how many pupils does each block represent, we have to divide this 42 by the number of blocks that we have. So 3 blocks for boys plus 4 blocks for girls, a total of 7 blocks. So 42 divided by 7 will give us 6. So in other words that each block represents 6 pupils. Since boys are represented by 3 blocks times 6 will give us 18, while girls are represented by 4 blocks times 6 will give us 24. So in other words, the class has 18 boys and 24 girls. Let us check. Let us find out the sum of 18 and 24. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 regroup 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4 for a total of 42. Check. So meaning to say that our answer is correct. Let us have sample problem number 2. We have here the ratio of tables to chairs in a class is 1:8. If there are 5 tables, how many chairs are there? First is for us to represent the ratio of the number of tables to the number of chairs using blocks. Based on the problem, it is said that for every 1 table represented by this block, there are 8 chairs represented by these 8 blocks. So if there are 5 tables, how many chairs are there? We know that for every 1 table, there are 8 chairs. So the moment we will add another table here, we will add 8 chairs. So in other words, if we have 5 tables, we have 5 times 8, which gives us 40 chairs. So if we have 5 tables, we have 5 times 8, which gives us 40 chairs. So let us have sample problem number 3. Peter, Marty, and Felix have a sum of money in the ratio 2:3:5 respectively. If Peter has 150 pesos, how much do the 3 boys have altogether? First is for us to represent the ratio of the amount of money for the 3 boys. So Peter has 2 boxes, while Marty has 3 boxes, and Felix has 5 boxes. Now, it is said that Peter has 150 pesos. So, meaning to say that these 2 boxes is equivalent to 150 pesos. So, to get the value of each box, we have to divide the 150 by 2 to give us 75. So, meaning to say that each box is equivalent to 75. To get the total amount of money that the 3 boys have, we have to multiply the total number of boxes, which is 10, times 75, which is the value of each box, to give us 750 pesos. So let us have sample problem number 4. Roxanne and Josie have a number of stickers each in the ratio 5:8 respectively. Josie has 21 more stickers than Roxanne. How many stickers do the 2 girls have altogether? First is for us to represent the ratio of the number of stickers for Roxanne and Josie through the use of blocks. So, Roxanne has 5 blocks, while Josie has 8 blocks. So, based from the illustration, we can see that Josie has 3 more blocks compared to Roxanne. These 3 more blocks of Josie is equivalent to 21 stickers because Josie has 21 more stickers than Roxanne. So, in other words, to get the value of each block, we have to divide 21 by 3 to give us 7. So, meaning to say that each block represents 7 stickers. So, to get the total number of stickers of the 2 girls, we have to multiply the total number of blocks times 7 because each block represents 7 stickers. Since Roxanne has 5 blocks and Josie has 8 blocks for a total of 13 blocks times 7 stickers per block. So we have 7 times 3 is 21. 1 regroup 2. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 2 we have 9. So for a total of 91 stickers. So let us check. Roxanne has 5 blocks and each block represents 7. So 5 times 7 will give us 35 stickers. Josie has 8 blocks and each block is equivalent to 7 stickers. 8 times 7 is 56. So 35 plus 56. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 regroup 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 5 is 9 for a total of 91 stickers. Check. So, in other words, that our answer is correct, that Roxanne and Josie have a total of 91 stickers all in all. So, there you have it, how to solve word problems involving partitive proportion. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.